Before we practice writing our letter M and our letter N, we are going to practice saying new words when we add sounds to the beginning. So I will say a word and a sound. You add the sound to the beginning of the word and tell me what the new word is, okay? The big tile on the screen stands for the word, and the smaller one stands for the sound you're adding to it. Sound like fun? All right. Remember, you're adding this sound to this word to tell me the new word. All right, listen to me first. The word is pill. This word is pill. I'm going to add s to the beginning of pill. You tell me what the new word is. Spill. That's exactly right. Now let's try another one. The word is lamb. And you're going to add k to the beginning of lamb. What is the new word? Clam is exactly right. All right, this word is loud. Now I want you to add k and tell me the new word. Cloud. Good job. All right, let's try one more. This word is mall, and you're going to add s. Small. Very good, boys and girls. Now you are ready to read Red Hen Skit and Bags, Blocks, and Rugs. But first, just like I promised, we're going to practice writing our lowercase m and our lowercase n. So pause the video and go get your journal and a pencil, and I'll be right back. Okay, is everybody ready to write their lowercase m and their lowercase n? Good. All right, so for your lowercase m, put your pencil on the dotted line. And then you're going to pull down, up, over, down, back up, and down again. 2 downs, 3 downs. Down, over, down, over, down. Do you see how the lowercase m is between the dotted line and the bottom line? It needs to stay between those 2 lines so it'll be a lowercase m. We're not writing capitals just yet. This is called a short letter. All right, another short letter is lowercase n. You're going to start at the dotted line and pull down. Then you're going to go up, over, and down 1 time. So go down, up, over, and down 1 time. Only has 2 downs. Down and down. All right, so now you're going to practice writing your lowercase m's and your lowercase n's in your journal using finger spaces. Do you notice my finger spaces? And your neatest handwriting. Write your m's 10 times and your n's 10 times. Then take a picture and turn it in to your teacher.